5 foods to naturally detox your liver. Our liver works 24/7 to filter toxins from our body. But did you know some foods can naturally boost its detox power? Let's explore 5 superfoods that support your liver's health. First on the list is garlic. It's not just for flavor. It's packed with allicin and selenium, which activate liver enzymes to flush out toxins. Garlic also protects your liver from oxidative damage. Add minced garlic to your meals, or if you're brave, eat a raw clove daily for maximum benefits. Next, we have turmeric, a golden spice known for its powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Curcumin, the active ingredient in turmeric, boosts bile production, helping your liver flush out toxins effectively. Add it to your meals, or enjoy it as a detox drink. Pair it with black pepper for better absorption. Number 3. Leafy greens are your liver's best friend. They're rich in chlorophyll, which helps remove heavy metals and pesticides from your body. Plus, they alkalize your blood, reducing the load on your liver. Eat them raw in salads, steam them lightly, or blend them into a refreshing smoothie. Number 4. Beets are a liver detox superstar. They contain antioxidants like betalains and nitrates, which reduce inflammation and improve bile flow. Drink fresh beet juice or add beets to your soups and salads for a natural cleanse. Number 5. Finally, lemons. These citrus fruits are loaded with vitamin C, which helps the liver produce enzymes that convert toxins into water-soluble substances, making them easier to flush out. Start your day with a glass of warm lemon water to kickstart your liver's detox process. These 5 foods, garlic, turmeric, leafy greens, beetroot, and lemon, can naturally detox your liver and keep it functioning at its best. Pair them with plenty of water and avoid processed foods for even better results. Take care of your liver, and it'll take care of you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips.